getting a little bit late in the day and the battery's low, so the CO2 detector keeps going off and the slide's in, so I'm not going to put the slide out. Battery's low. We'll just do a little quick walk through, just a very quick interior look at our travel trailer, which is a Salem River, or Forest River Salem 22 RVS, and the truck running. Charge the battery back up a little bit. That's just a quick look at the trailer. Look to the truck. Load distribution hitch and all of that stuff. And for anybody that follows the videos I have on, or not videos, but blog posts on Wealthy Affiliate, missing asphalt. We were working on the parking lot. I twisted my ankle when I got out of the truck last week. It was right there. So anyway, it's the other side of the trailer. And in a few days, when we have it in the campground, hopefully I have time to take it over there. In the next few days, we'll do another a more in-depth video. It's a nice little trailer. I've got it backed up against this wall, so I'm not gonna go around behind it all the way, but that's what it looks like. And that slide comes out, gives you a whole lot more space in there. And what I couldn't show you just now on the inside was the bedroom. You get the blind pulled down on that, but the bed's up there, storage underneath, typical stuff. But all in all, a very nice little camper, and we're very happy with it. Looking forward to using it extensively as being our home away from home. We're up here working out of our office. Of course, we got the big truck parked next to it. And as you can see, we have enough room to get everything in the parking lot, but not any excess room. So looking forward to being able to take the camper to the campground here, and hopefully Monday or Tuesday, Monday night maybe, set it up. And once I get it all set up there, whenever that happens, we'll put the slide out and do a more formal, a more in-depth look at our camper. So thanks for watching. Have a great evening. Talk to you soon in the next video.